Right, oil change on this. We've got two 8mm bolts and a 10mm bolt to remove this. Remove oil cap, filler up cap, and remove 12mm bolt up there. 12mm, and drain your oil into a pot. Remove this 8mm bolt here to release the strainer and give that a clean. Remove the bolt and now just pull the strainer. You might have to lift this cable up a little bit just to feed it out. It comes out easy. There we go. Inspect. Very clean. When pushing back in, wait for it to click. Oh, can't click it. There you go. Undo the oil filter housing cap. Two 8mm bolts. Remove. Oil will pour out, so check your O-ring. Take your filter out, inspect it. That's actually not too bad. Actually really good. And you can clean that oil out there with a rag. 10 Newton meters of torque on this bolt. 10 Newton meters of torque on this bolt, and the drain bolt underneath is 20 Newton meters. I've just run the bike, got the oil circulating, and the oil levels dropped. Hang on, about there, not too much. It's on the minimum. It's just where the oil's pumped up to the filter after you've removed it. So just give that another top up. There we go, just under the maximum now. Back to where we started it. Lovely.